Today I'm gonna code a game called Dan. It's a game when you lose a point when you overlaps a projectile, and you need to get to a value of there's like a number of points to win the game. So let's get started. Press on the game. And then you see we've coded this much. We're going to press enter and see. But do you know why there are bubbles here? So I'm going to show you a skill. You're going to say for element value of list do, we're going to go to scene and grab array of all blank locations and put it on the list and put it into our bubble. And then say sprite set block it's not a player, it's a projectile. And we're going to go to gallery, and then we're going to choose on this. You can choose any tile, but I'm going to choose kind of a rocky one. So, no, if you want to switch it, you can pick it again. And you can choose like a brick. Example, like I'm choosing this one. And then we're going to say set place block on top of value. And then we're going to say set block a acceleration y to 300. And now look at our game. It's kind of, but look, now we're going to say it's kind of just staying there, not moving, so our sprite can just earn more points. So we're going to say set block bounce on wall. Now they're bouncing, but we haven't considered how our sprite will earn the points. But there's kind of too much bubbles too. We're going to press on the sand tile in the gallery and move some sand over the blocks. Let's go together and go to dungeon and pick some more bubbles. And I press done and see how that looks. That looks like that. We're going to say if the projectile, which is our block, overlaps our player, which is our knight, change the sprite's acceleration y by 300 and see how that goes. But he only goes up and he can't go up ever again. I'm going to say he goes negative 300. We're going to change this so it's kind of easier. There's going to be like a pattern. Like this, 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 this. There's a hiding space. And this is where you're going to get the points in this square over here. We're going to say, go to scene and say if sprite overlaps this, change score by 1. Now look. We just earned 1 point. We earned 33 points, but we got up. Let's think. But the problem is, and then we're gonna say, if the projectile overlaps the sprite, the player, and then it starts a countdown, for 5. Just 5. And then when the countdown ends, we're going to say, we're going to duplicate this block and then say change sprite by, but it's just plain 300. Now let's see. Now we just have to wait for the countdown. Why is it not working? Perhaps we have to use acceleration X. Two, 1, 0. It works. Acceleration by now. I get it. We don't say change. We say set sprite acceleration Y to 500 this time. Now we're going to try to get our points. And then you see when the countdown ends, we fall. And we have to wait for the countdown again. I got more points. Now I have 203 points. I'm going again. Countdown, and it ended. I fell. I'm gonna say negative 500. Wait, no, not like this. Negative 500. Now we're gonna go really fast, just like a roller coaster. And the countdown ends. And the countdown hasn't ended. Now go. And now look, our game. Let's say when I get to 400 points. So I'm gonna say on score 400. 400. Game over, win. So this is going to be the end of video 2. And you might have seen one of my other videos. My name is Junior Cold Master. And you might see my other videos in YouTube. So bye guys. Have a fun day. Bye.